back to my channel. This is me, Shweta. I have a new video for you guys, and this video is our very first video of 2019. So happy new year all of you, and I'm gonna start with this video where I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite beauty products that I've been loving the last 1 year. So I thought that this will be a little useful for you guys, and if you guys are following me for a while now, you might have seen all of these products that I use in each and every video of mine. So I'm gonna show you some beauty products that are really affordable and available in India. So yeah, let's get started. So let me start with skincare first. So I'm gonna talk about this product which I used in each and every video of mine. I'm so sure about that, but this is Wow AM to PM sunscreen that I've been using for last 1 year for sure. I've been using this for a very long time now, and I'm loving this. All used, and the name and everything is almost gone. That's because I'm using this every day, and I use this every day in the morning when I go outside from my house. So, and I've been loving it. It took care of my skin really well, and it's a bit on the oily side. I have oily skin, but still this works for me. If you like apply a compact or a powder after this, it's gonna be fine. And it's SPF 50, no parabens, no mineral oil. So this is 100 ml and it's 599 rupees. So I thought that you guys should try this out and let me know if you liked it. So moving on, the next skincare product that I am loving recently is this the Face Shop White Seed Brightening Serum. It's amazing. It's so good, you guys. I've been using this for a while now, and I didn't give you a review about this because it's all over YouTube. You can see 100 videos on this product review. So I thought that it'll be a waste if I do it, but I just wanted to talk about this. This is White Seed Brightening Serum from the Face Shop. It's a Korean skincare brand, and it's amazing. It really works on your skin. You should try this out at least once and see if it's working for you, because it's working really well for me, and your skin looks really healthy and moisturized all the time. So it's like a serum, so basically you can use it in the morning when you go before you go outside, and also at night. So what I do is morning I'll apply this before the sunscreen, and at night when I go to sleep I'll use this again and sleep. So and it's been working well. So this is like, it's a bit expensive. It's like 1900 and something rupees. I got it from Nykaa, but it's worth. At least once you have to try and see how it's working for you. This one is 50 ml. And yeah, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is the Body Shop body butter. I am loving this Body Shop body butter, Instant Glow body butter. It's amazing. They have different flavors, and the one that I have is British Rose. I love it. They have a lot of flavors and all of them smell amazing, and it's really good if you have really dry skin. I've talked about this on my winter skincare haul as well. So try this out and let me know, and it's amazing. If you have, like, I have really dry hands and legs, so I use it for my body basically. So yeah, this one is 50 ml and it retails for 395 rupees. Next thing that I'm going to talk about is the Garnier cleansing water, the Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I have a detailed review video on this product. I'll link it right here if you want to watch it, and it's amazing. This is my third bottle if I'm not wrong, and you can like carry it everywhere you go. They have big bottles also, but I always buy the small ones so that it's easier for me to travel with. And this is amazing to remove makeup, and this one is made for lazy girls. So if you're one of those lazy girls who are really lazy to remove your makeup before you go to sleep, you have to try this, because if you have this, you just have to put it in a cotton pad and then remove your makeup and go to sleep. You don't even have to wash your face after that. You can sleep with this. I mean, like, it's amazing. Good for face, eyes, lips, no added fragrance, no alcohol. It's really good, so even for sensitive skin. So this one is 125 ml and this retails for rupees 175. It's worth, you guys. If you're buying anything from this video, you have to buy this. So yeah, moving on, I'm gonna talk about makeup now. So I'll start with foundation. So the last 1 year I've been loving this Maybelline Fit Me. This is my ever favorite foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless foundation. It's suitable for normal to oily skin and it's amazing. It's like medium to buildable coverage and it's perfect. I love this so much because it's matte and it doesn't look cakey at all. It's not sticky at all and I love this so much. So this one is 30 ml. This one is 30 ml and it retails for 525. The rates might change because there are a lot of offers and everything going on sites. I'll put all the links down below in the description box. If you want to buy any of these products, you can just go there and click on the link and buy it. The next makeup product that I've been loving a lot is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I've been loving the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as well, but this one is a step above that because I love the applicator. It's like a brush, so it's really easy for you to apply. My shade is actually Fawn, but if this one is Warm Honey, this will also suit my skin tone. Fawn is exactly my skin tone. Warm Honey is a little bit more on the yellow side. So yeah, this one it's matte and it's full coverage. It's amazing. It will blend really well onto your skin and you can like blend it out with your fingers itself. It's so easy and I love this product so much. And this one is 8 grams and it retails for about, I think, less than 500 rupees. I'm not sure. I'll put the link down below. The next makeup product that I'm gonna talk about, I talked about this product a lot in my channel. That is 9 to 5 Lakme Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. I am in love with this product. This is my 5th tub if I'm not wrong, and I love this product so much. This is like it's not a compact, it's a powder foundation, but it can be used as a compact as well. So if you don't feel like using a lot of makeup, you just need this, nothing else, because it has primer, foundation, everything, and it's so matte and it's so easy to apply. It comes with a sponge and it's amazing to put it in your bag and go anywhere that you want. It's really good. So my shade is 05 Honeydew. So I can use one shade above this as well, but I always choose the darker shade so that I won't look really white. I don't like that at all. So yeah, this one is 9 grams and it retails for 575 rupees. So yeah, so the next product that I'm going to talk about is the bronzer. That is a bronzer that is Bharat and Doris. It's actually a blusher, but I use it as a bronzer. I don't really use blush a lot, but yeah, this one is a dark brown color, so I use it as a bronzer. As you can see, I've used almost all of it. It's almost over. That's how much I love it. I use this on all of my makeup tutorials. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I love this product. And this one is 5.2 grams and I'm not sure how much it is. I'll put the link down below. So yeah. Okay, so the next product is the mascara that I've been loving a lot. This is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and it's not just this. I basically love all of Maybelline's mascaras. It's all good. It's all really good. So yeah, this one is mascara in the shade Very Black. I'm not gonna say this for every product. You know that all the details will be down below in the description box. Okay. I'm gonna talk about the lipstick that I've been loving. I have to give it to Sugar Cosmetics. Sugar Cosmetics comes up with amazing lipsticks. I love them so much, and it's affordable and it's easily available in India. It's an Indian brand, so I love it so much. It's Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick that I've been loving a lot last 1 year, and the shades that I've been loving in red, it's Drop Dead Red. I've used it a lot. It's the perfect red for my skin tone. Drop Dead Red. It's in the shade 10 and it's 4.5 ml, and yeah, details will be down below. And in the nude shade range, my favorite one is Tan Fan, that is 03. And yeah, I've been using this a lot. Those are my top favorite beauty products that I've been using for last 1 year, and I'll put all the details down below in the description box. If you guys want to buy any of these products, you can just scroll down and you'll get the links for it. And I hope you guys found this helpful. So comment down below the products that you have been obsessed with for the last 1 year, so that even I can try it out and see if it's working for me. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and follow me on Instagram because I've been uploading a lot of IGTV videos, that is small tutorials. It's really fun there, so come join me there and I'll get connected with you guys there. So I'll see you guys next Monday. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.